Oh, hey crafty people! So I was watching YouTube and guess what I found? Some interesting recipes, and you know what? I'm gonna try them. So this is the pineapple life hack. So basically, let's watch it. It's a pineapple, alright? You cut it in two and then you scoop everything with an ice cream scoop. So it will look like this. Seems pretty nice. Now you see, they put chicken there and mustard, and then they put rice here. I'm looking at this rice. It's not cooked rice. It should be cooked rice. I don't think this is gonna work with uncooked rice, okay? But anyway, let's continue watching. So they put mustard, they put honey, and then they take the whole pineapple and they bake it. Looks pretty good, but this rice seems to be cooked. So, I mean, I'm gonna do it. You have two halves of pineapple, right? So I'm gonna try it anyway. I'm gonna put uncooked rice in one and cooked rice in the other and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so let's try the pineapple chicken. So I have the pineapple right here. I have the rice right here. The chicken, and then they put mustard and honey. I just bought some honey mustard, so it should be the same thing. But now here's the thing. The rice, when they put the rice in, it was not boiled. I don't think you can eat it like that. So we will try with the rice unboiled. So basically just straight out of here I will put it in the pineapple. But I'm also gonna do another part where I cook the rice and then put it in the pineapple, because I think that's what you're supposed to do, right? Okay, so let's get to cutting the pineapple. Okay, so let's get to cutting, but I'm gonna speed up through this part because it's gonna be pretty boring. Okay, so we have our two pineapples here, and we're gonna put the chicken with some seasoning in each. So we have the chicken. All right. So first one with the chicken. We are gonna do two because one will have cooked rice and the other will have non-cooked rice, like basically raw rice. Okay, now it looks kind of like this. It doesn't look so tasty, but I think it will be. We have our honey mustard that I will put right here. Basically it's the same thing as mustard with honey, so yeah. And yeah, this one will be with the uncooked rice, which I think it won't work, because how can the rice get cooked in the oven with, but we'll see. Okay, so we have the uncooked rice, and here I have some cooked rice, as I think it should have been in their video, but let's see. So I will put the cooked rice here. Also with the same seasoning. Okay, so now let's bake them. Okay, so while that is cooking, let's check out another recipe, and it's also kind of an interesting one, but also stay tuned and keep watching if you want to see how that turns out. Okay, so ingredient wise, this one is pretty simple. It's just eggs. You put eggs. You're trying to make basically a sandwich pancake with cheese, so it should be pretty easy. This part, when you fold it like this, I don't know if that's gonna work for me, but we'll see. Hope I can do it. So we have our egg right here. There you go with the egg. Now the bread. And I guess now we wait. But you won't, because I will edit this. Okay, so it's done. Now I'm gonna try and... Yeah, that's not gonna work. But let's put the cheese inside. It's a bit much, but I think it's gonna work. And now basically, like this. And I'll keep it in place and try to make it... Yeah, I think the bread should have been bigger. Yeah, in hindsight, we should have get the bigger bread, bigger slices of bread, but I think this is the gist of it. Okay, so this gigantic grilled cheese sandwich, kind of, not really grilled. So I did put too much egg and too little bread, but yeah, it's like, it looks good. I definitely did too much egg, and the bread that I put was small, so it's why it looks like this. I mean, it's decent, but I think after you put the cheese, you should let it a bit more. I didn't, so the cheese didn't melt, but it's okay, I guess. I don't know if it's worth the hassle though. So, pineapple chicken, right? As I thought, the rice that was not cooked, it's like, I mean, it did cook itself a bit, like the bottom part, but it's not okay. It's like it cooked itself a bit while in the oven, but no. If you want to do this, cook your rice before. This right here is the cooked rice, which is it's just cooked rice. It's pretty good. It doesn't really taste a lot like pineapple. I guess the pineapple thing is just to look good, because it looks good, but it doesn't really taste like pineapple. And also the chicken, yeah, it's good, but it doesn't really taste like pineapple. The honey mustard chicken tastes like honey mustard chicken. It doesn't really taste like pineapple. So this whole gimmick with pineapple is just for show. It's just for looks. It's, I mean, if you like how it looks, yeah, sure, do it, but otherwise just do it normally. Don't waste the pineapple on it. And also, funny enough, the uncooked rice is the one that tastes more like pineapple, because it cooked itself a bit with the pineapple juice that was inside. I guess that was the whole point of this, but it didn't cook itself all the way, so it's pretty much, yeah, it's pretty much unedible. So, no. So this is only for show. If you like how it looks, do it. If you don't, just do it normally. You waste your time with the pineapple. Thank you very much for watching until the end of the video. And if you want more, always subscribe, like, comment, and please actually comment if you're gonna try one of these. Which one are you going to try? And also, thank you very, very much that you spend your time with us trying weird cooking things. See ya.